Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making sure both the QuietComfort Ultra earbuds and case are charged above 50%. This prevents shutdown during the reset. Once done, disable Bluetooth on nearby phones or laptops so the earbuds won't auto-join another device. Next, open the case and keep the earbuds seated. Prepare a small tool like a paperclip for the case reset button. You'll act quickly. This combination of power, isolation, and the reset input ensures a clean, repeatable start to the reset procedure. Now perform the core reset sequence. You press and hold the case button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the status LED flashes. This clears cached pairings. After the LED changes color, remove both earbuds, then reinsert them so the firmware registers the reset state. Make sure you follow any on-screen prompts in the Bose Music app. Sometimes the earbuds require a final confirmation using the touch sensor on each bud. This step resets Bluetooth pairings and most settings without altering stored. Finish by re-enabling Bluetooth on your chosen device and pair the earbuds as if new. Select the QuietComfort Ultra in the Bluetooth list and accept pairing. If pairing fails, make sure the Bose Music app shows the earbuds and run any available firmware update. Updates often fix stubborn pairing. If problems persist, repeat the reset sequence exactly, and as a last resort, contact Bose support. A useful tip: clean contact pins and ensure the case lid is fully closed during resets to avoid power interrupts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.